Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to make eye-catching Instagram Reels? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create, then choose Instagram Reels from the options to start your video project. Next, add a rectangle shape to your design. Select the Shape tool, choose Rectangle, then click on the canvas where you want to place it. Adjust the size and position as needed to fit your layout and enhance the overall design. This adds structure and visual interest. Rotate the object, then add text. Next, apply a text color that contrasts with the background. Finally, place a black shape behind the text to enhance visibility and ensure the text stands out clearly against the background. Next, apply the color. Then, adjust the element by minimizing it smoothly to the desired size, as shown here. Ensure the alignment is consistent for a balanced look. This creates a clean, polished design that enhances overall visual appeal effectively and efficiently. Adjust the element slightly, then duplicate it. Set the duplicated element's duration to 3 seconds. This ensures consistent timing and smooth transitions within your project. Use the duration controls to modify the length precisely, maintaining synchronization across all elements for a polished final result. Set the duration to 3 seconds. Next, select the background layer and click Duplicate to create a copy for further editing. This helps maintain original content intact. Press D on your keyboard to start. First, expand the shape by dragging its edges outward. Then, create a duplicate of the shape by pressing Ctrl D. Position the duplicated shape next to the original, maintaining alignment. This method allows you to build complex designs quickly. Continue duplicating and adjusting as needed to achieve your desired pattern. Use these keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow and make precise edits efficiently within your project environment. To create a diagonal text, start by typing your word, such as pancake. Next, rotate the text box to the desired angle. You can adjust the position precisely using your keyboard arrow keys. To change the font, select the text, then open the font menu. Browse through the available fonts and click to apply your preferred style. Experiment with different fonts to find the look that suits your design. Remember, rotating and moving text allows you to create dynamic layouts. Use keyboard controls for fine adjustments to keep everything aligned perfectly. This technique enhances your project by adding personalized, stylish text elements. Select the desired font from the menu. Then, adjust the text size by expanding the font size slider or entering a specific value. This allows you to customize the appearance of your text easily and precisely. You can change the color in a specific region by selecting that area. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Pancake Video. Select the video's category and find the clip you want to add. Drag the video onto your project timeline. It will appear above your existing layers. If the video is added below, simply drag it up to reorder the layers. Use this method to place multiple videos either above or below other elements. Adjust the position and size as needed to fit your design. This allows you to customize the visual hierarchy and create a dynamic layout. Experiment with adding various videos to different sections of your project to enhance the overall effect. Remember, layering is key to controlling what is visible on top. Navigate to the third page. Select the object you want to align. Click on the Position and Layers menu. Here, you can adjust the stacking order. To bring the object to the front, choose the option to move it to the top layer. This ensures the object appears above all others on the page. Use this feature to organize elements visually and improve your design layout. Remember, managing layers helps maintain clarity when multiple objects overlap. Experiment with different positions until your design looks balanced and professional on the third page. To delete an item, select it and click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion if prompted. This action permanently removes the selected item from your list. Make sure you no longer need the item before deleting. Review your remaining items to ensure everything is correct. Use deletion carefully to keep your workspace organized and up to date. Now, the video plays seamlessly behind the text, creating a dynamic background effect. This technique enhances your presentation by combining motion and information, making your content more engaging and visually appealing for viewers. First, add the match effect and the move effect to your clip. Next, adjust the duration to fit your sequence. Then, apply these settings uniformly to all sides of the clip. Once done, click the preview button to review your changes. This allows you to see the combined effects in real time before finalizing your edits. That's exactly how it works, simple and straightforward to understand and use. After creating your transitions, you can add effects such as an outline. To do this, select the element, then choose the outline effect from the Effects menu. Adjust the outline settings to your preference. This enhances the visual appeal and highlights key areas. Experiment with different effects to find the best look for your project. Click the Preview button to check your changes. If you need to adjust anything, make your edits and click Preview again. Repeat this process until the content appears as desired. This ensures your final version is accurate and ready to share. Let's reverse that. Editing the shape caused the transition function to stop working. Restoring the original shape will fix the issue. Simply undo your changes, and the transition effect will work as intended again. This ensures smooth animation without disruption, maintaining the function's performance throughout your project. Now the transition works perfectly. You can only edit this section because adding elsewhere breaks transitions. After editing, click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the video quality by choosing a higher resolution. Once set, click Download to save your improved video file with enhanced quality and intact transitions. Now you know how to create sleek Instagram Reel animations in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more tips.